My name is RIANTORO EFENDI. I am 32 years old. I have been married and I have two beautiful daughters. I am living in GLENMORE, Banyuwangi. Life is like bicycle. To maintain balance, we must move. Achieve success in the world and the hereafter, and be able to make my parents, my little family happy and be useful for others. Good personality and always obeying Allah and obedient to parents. Maintains honest, able to innovating, creative, hard work and principle to achieve success in the mission in my life. In 2016, I was employed in PT IGG GLENMORE Sugar Industry, which is a subsidiary of PTPN 12. GLENMORE Sugar Mill. In 2016, I was employed in PT IGG GLENMORE Sugar Industry, which is a subsidiary of PTPN 12. GLENMORE Sugar Mill stands on 102.4 hectare in PTPN 12. Land will location at Raharjo, GLENMORE, Banyuwangi. In April 2016, I took the test in Jember. After all, from the thousands of applications passed by. After graduating, we were directed to military education for 1 week and 2 months of material about factories. Capacity of PT IGG is 6,000 TCD. Sugarcane fuel supplied by sugar plantation in PTPN 12 and people's sugarcane. I was placed at processing unit RC area temporary in charge. Managing with is have a duty and responsibility while grinding process are: number 1, keeping continuity and coordinating while inter process. Number 2, giving direction and passion to the employees at the plant. Number 3, reprimanding the employees who makes mistake. Number 4, coordinating the supplying process material as well as restitution. While out of duty. Number 1, observing employees. Number 2, ironing mill standard operation procedure. Number 3, coordinating and monitoring the process of procuring goods and services that related with mill maintenance. Maintaining and enhancing intellectual assets of PT IGG, namely relating to human resource for knowledge about the factory. There are many interesting things from my work, including many relationships, comparative studies, and so on. The biggest challenge today is working dividing time between family, work, and child. We targeted to processing raw sugar on April, and also we have a lot of class assignment that we have to finish. Besides that, the most difficult thing is maintaining team cohesiveness. Sometimes many of your friends have different opinions, so they get carried away with emotion and misunderstanding. What must be considered regarding my position is to be fair, and able to communicate well with subordinates and superiors. The most important thing is that the position mandate maintain the spirit of the mandate. We must maintain the spirit of that mandate. To enhance the skill, we have to get course and doing some comparison study will out of duty. The interesting thing about this job is when we can solve the problem and come up with ideas of the problem. I was able to study at Yogyakarta LPP Polytechnic because of the demand of my new position. The employees who are in the position will be directed to take The employees who are in the processing will be directed to take a D3 programmer during chemical engineering program in Yogyakarta and PP Polytechnic. It is the best product in the field of plantation. I hope after graduating from FCP, I can be strengthen my knowledge of basic theory. For students who are still in college, I hope to keep their spirit up and do not forget to keep trying. Parents' prayer is the key to our success, especially mothers.